These little chalkboards would be used by students in this class to practice reading, writing, and arithmetic. They are a type of tablet, a solid flat surface that can be written on. Today, we think of tablets as small portable computers with a touchscreen interface, but the first tablets in human history were made of clay thousands of years ago, between 3500 and 3000 BCE, by the ancient Sumerians in Mesopotamia. The Sumerians developed the oldest known form of writing in the world called cuneiform. They pressed their words into soft clay tablets using a stylus, and when the clay dried, the messages written on it became permanent. The first electronic tablet, called a grid pad, was invented in 1989.
Now, critics have said most computers are really nothing but the fancy keyboards or typewriters. This is clearly not just that. What do you think about this input device? Is there a market for it?
I think there's absolutely a market for it.
It held a charge for 3 hours and cost over $2,000.